Adom TV so Adom TV so bedwendwuma die so dia kensi on senpai sakena no penso di Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudi catch back up the only nomenclature of professor's degree in sports the Al-Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and mesin kunya ekono kwante kwade nsema wodo sakena no penso e wo Ghana ejao chano so mam se nwuma kumiensa o madama o na bom sika dwetire men no penso ye den komo no eba 1xbet I've always told you that betting is better than soccer or bet the intensity we chin say utwa ne befua utwa ne kuma bia udi ne kuma asa no manum and it be sell bet with money that you can afford to lose sika yira enye ya no ene di twa bet ne mum we nyina china still pese we de keto akwaje kese a 1xbet bitian boa e ma niam etian to the amount 1xbet nyomo financial freedom bro nyei omudi ni basa new year so yugo so e 1xbet adama wesen ne ma esi koso ira January mu no o china so ye January biu to wesen ne so January ne ba na eba and it 1xbet na my boys etimia soto mo say kama fast mixture ahwi enso medi one dance the amount say infections netete syphilis candidiasis white fever na so dipo a adoi onoma prapro harama no mo bo ho e ma otimidi nchini che on infections betia to pai ko eba shops ne pharmaceutical shops nemu also page fast mixture no ne aduba kwa e betia boa e ma pomodon sem agina pinti sedimo gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel through a pampas we pemo na ase no aduba kwa 2 year pain if you hono sedimo gel and roll on kwa shama no me market tema so betia from 02219129 na on sedimo gel and roll on phone pay for yenhwehwe nko ehwemwa e ma ultimate cancer product TB yenhya FMF chan 2023 ekoso ewo Algeria na eno group D matches etfensa PM no Mali ene Angola ebo 3-3 ewo Omakensi na fe Cameroon enso echi Congo fu twomeka bakwa omo entimianti coach Anowoka ana the Black Galaxies of Ghana head coach odiaba se eni se osubo bia emfamo no esan senatatis wanya na right ewo sa Kensi no nam so ema ekonwene ne se edema Ghana but nyame adom na se bibia timensa tomuturu dia yehwe anim se Thursday eya woda yebesa ene eye Sudan for the Canadian tentam so was a Ghana for hwe nanim e was Kensi nim se nyame adoma obeyinkunya atwebudu afiri
because we did not play the way we normally play that caused us and people saw they were better or they played better than we do. But if you correct, you can see from this second half, we were better off than them. Just that we could not take our chances and squandered the chances also that came on our way. So we were better than them. Yesterday, rather, was the weather was even better for me than even when we came and on our 3 days training before the game itself yesterday. The weather was very, very cold than yesterday's one. So I see it like a normal weather, though occasionally it becomes cold, then it changes. So yesterday was better for me. Oh no, my boys are wearing good boots. Each and every one have about 3 boots at hand. In fact, after yesterday's game, if you were to be here, you see the attitude and the reaction of my players. They were very down, not, but by losing the game, they are all down and they are worried and they did not understand why they should lose a match against no other team than Madagascar. We just finished a meeting together with them. The technical and the players had a meeting, and in fact,
coach Anowoka on a kita the Black Galaxies of Ghana mo chan or Julia and on the Komo 8 Bibia Mikwema Nyame Adoma ya wada Ghana and Sudan at the second game group stages no betia in terms of Rantana akantam Nyame Adoma betia chrobo bre o sakins kesi betia sapio no but Chanusmam say Augustine e Japan on a defender obemu substitute na obenya consolation goal pata go bako edema Ghana odena bija mo kenya Nyame Adoma omjide pass ya wada kesi ndie ombe redeem mo
ko ye na luck ni afa because no game na ye bobo a bobo players near Yakumam say a bobona. Fan and name from my lack in the fan. But no man can get to be a you lose concentration on Conabas and say you take your chances in an area to share a bit to me. I ain't in a combination for next game. No, a bit more movie toward our dream. Time I remember when coach catch me say game no e so too much. Until I was catch players and say you move forward. You try say at least you be draw, you be play draw, and ya draw kakra na say yeah tournament and still na your confidence so na. As more catch crowd you can catch me say in keepers na type PP, keeper na type PP first half and the second half no. Men catch players so mu pejo muti. And ntina me peja miti a mitinya sa good. To me no I was happy some but not too much because now the farm 2-1 no match 2-1 I say yeah no many aje but na nye too happy sir because no match 2-1 you buy the era hope players ni nyina era ho bia era ho because nye easy sir say Ghana bet me lose so simple sir nye easy era hope by nyina shi like I say you be mistakes here and say no menya it was say it in solving out na near the Sudan match. You near better Sudan match in a day, a must win game. And you can say pre draw cry, a must win tea. In your teaching, one say, yeah, must win game for near grow cry. A dear group baby to be a CPM cry. And you can
see Augustin in Japan, defender on the Boposwat and Abba, Kodema Ghana, or your name Madagascar for no Sudan and Como 8th and Yamiaduma, a Yawoda Ghana versus Sudan. The live commentary between Santo Sodia Bro. Fientin Tum El Ghana Premier League week 13 and matches between Santo Fem. Bibi any as any Kumase Asan Tekotoko 90 minutes of soccer fiesta na all one and 18 PM. Sansona Accra Lions and Kanjata, Womsuchi Brekum Chelsea, Etrom Ekamunu, Brekum Chelsea take Kanabako, Bonia Koma, Eresana goes no, bye.
Yeah, and just when they were building momentum, trying to create an opportunity.
It's now an opportunity. Dese Mokwala rounds up goalkeeper Joba. Goal number 1. The Pork Knights are in the lead.
This is dazzling. Amazing goal from the Ugandan. It was goal stars who were probing, and when Kotoko got onto the ball, 1-2 quick passing, and Mokwala was all alone up against goalkeeper bar, and he runs up goalkeeper bar with cheeky ease. Here, the slip from Da Costa, but look at the intelligence. Play from Bala, runs up goalkeeper bar. Richard Boydou with the pass, and just when Da Costa slipped, he knows here he can run the goalkeeper. Did very well, strong in that play, and yeah, they have nothing to lose. The BNI Gold Stars. All they need to do is put the back line of Kotoko under pressure.
Also, there, yes, handball situation clearly indicated by the referee Franklin Akumate.
Well, he seems very sure of it. The referee Akumate from the throw here. Seems the law was just going in. I just can't see the handball. The throw in from Udai, the header from La, and yeah, yes. Yes. That's what the referee saw.
He comes up against Frederick Asari. I understand they're very good friends too. Here he goes. 1, 2, 3. Asari saves the day, but couldn't save the second opportunity.
Yeah, and
Yaya Draman. Headed on by La. Through the middle, player goes down and it's a penalty. Akumate says that was an unfair charge, and this decision has sent the home fans into a frenzy.
Yeah, we look at it. La with a flick on header. Jenfi racing for the ball. Yeah,
and it's Prince Owusu who's fancying his chances from the penalty spot. Asari has got it right once again. This time he pushed it out. Play for a corner kick.
Yeah, this is why he has been Kotoko's best player in the last 7 matches. But stop. It's a Superman save from the young goalie. Another poor penalty because he has seen it all, seen it through the kick from Owusu.
And no, I can see and also it went out of him and on the bat coach Zibu, a Konokofo, a coach Penyipa after the game. Or also HSN, and he can't send the man. It's answer. Now heard him saying Kobit and Sadim Kunim. Referee, sir, a dem from a brand general pante, which a Bema Kings in the Chassiano, or more unfam Mary Pa.
N'est pas forcément le demain, il faut le dire. La vérité des matchs qu'on a joué ce soir, c'est différent du match de demain.
Football as it is a game of chances, and the match we play today is different from the match we are going to play next. So there is nothing we can say much about this very much. All of our supporters, they saw what went on wrong and what went good.
Les arbitres, le championnat ghanéen est professionnel. Il va falloir que les arbitres jouent aussi leur rôle de professionnalisme dans le championnat ghanéen.
He said he's a coach. He can't gossip or make any complaints about any referee. He's a coach. He doesn't work with referee. He trains his players on the field. But the way and manner some referees are handling matches, it will delay our progress in football in this country.
And see coach Zedu Zibu ana ene or the French ni pupu asantemai na afola an assistant and so de munchi de mu etimi esaba no. Go Stars for coach Adine Michael, a former Kodoko player. Also the Nkomo Kakra Sajas and the man team no omo Prince Usu Kwabna and a Fimila omo MSC 2 penalties our Kings Mujide passe nan kinu kwase omo etimi SS penalty no.
First one La is very good on penalty kicking, and then as for the Prince, right now the confidence he have at home matches. The last time he spoiled the same penalty, so I told him he shouldn't play, but he was having a confidence that he can score. But that's football. What I'm disappointed in him is he should have listened to me. He should have listened to me because I told him that today it's not the day for him to play a penalty. But he had a confidence that he can score. So the players left him for him to kick. But all the same. Everybody did its best for this game, so I will not do any blame games. That's football. As a head coach, I have to take it in good faith, and then.
See, Michael was a Go Stars for coach and attending council didn't come 18 to just work catch any place in that say Nankasa penalty idea. Kinu kwa some de Musaka Krabata Swatney and I'm so my place equal 2 penalty a community the mark Go Stars and Cancer and Kenra. Omo Edin Queen di Ekofie. But obemwa na se Ghana Supporters Union. Na Ghana Supporters Union can support to power more Ediama national team se Ghana ketwa kra. Na omso ake committee from when omo state of the art office our hwese Mexico modern office equipment se wonya sam ketwa. Eno ase Joe Manuchu eda nitmen sa chire mkrampuni mantem ha ya na akobona ni akoma ye Ghana Supporters Union. Omo office where the latest supporters group omo officer ewokroma ana enei you don't come also ijawi.
Achitafwa da omudi national teams nechi etukwan esa wofie ewago pramaso no so obekaye nenyero mu nyina na ebomu ebaya aban ne hye omo so mu nyina nka omo hombomu se ne beya ebe fro mu nyina Ghana Supporters Union no ene omodi nyina ya adwuma nyame adom enkane anom nenam enya babi ntina enya nhyiemu no etu atwa enra ewo nkrampopo ni mantem ha omonya dan ya ntamoa omasisi ya enei de kwasi boni beka na office no omapa ho ntuma nenu amubo mu a ebre di kan kra Ghana Supporters Union omo kire se yeboboku ahodo afi agudie koso my Ghana mu nyina ene yam babi ebe yenhyiemu no omba yire niam mu pampe se na ebe ya nkunim ene be kwama Ghana akanse bi ade ho bagimu ena fei ehu aba mfaso
office na yenya no it has given her Ghana supporters another rate says see ano so we supporters you can locate us ubenya your office etumi aba sesi a yebeti very soon we will open registration for both members and non-members. Obi opese oba join bi ano is welcome. Very soon open. And see this office no ebeye another stepping stone. Aha na ebe operate. Ebi bia ebe bia no aha na ebe service yenya travel and tour. Yeso yedi team nechi. Ebi a team ne ko bia yedi team echi e ko support omo. Into this officer yenya no e officer ebe buan bebre because e na say ye tu kwan na say ye bibia yeah, you won't change kakra. But once we've gotten an office, air fully operating. No, it will operate 24/7. But on a normal 5 days operation, we'll be here. And see, this office mean a lot to us.
Nti Ghana Supporters Union guntumo polo 40 mo zengo anafi Aziz Haruna Futamu na omo ewasa supporters group mu na sesi omanya office ne dia otimi sampa edu kwan se emere soso mutu kwan otimi service anse ombekra na beda mo computer no so na afi omo dia mom supporters na omo de ko akota Ghana chinti we eye anije sem kese pa ato Ghana Supporters union no ewo omo dwumadia omo so entregas omo ema Ghana national teams no me do see another was here Sancho Pisha, so I'm say 1x one attach in a fast and so boy chidom. Said more gel and roll on your ultimate pain relieving gel, so boy, and a disage with the 8 sabro. Medin the Enoch, Kwesi, Walanyo, Wallace, a good catch back pay. Manchester Professors Degree in Sports, the Regina Wallace, the nation's presenter, and I'm telling you, of course, evidence based presentation to message out. O heard you media and a maushi, bubuashi, kanishi, agublushi, featherback, coffin bomeka. Da suma da kuma fodia sunu san kidibo dua sama kese bi mamponte fade kitikrachi kopim sodru winiba kaswa nyanya no kwati pokwesu jamai akusomu enene hyeso so ga kopeda bala hoho kochitu adidome edwani chire mpando ko na fefo ani chirem eko na nado mahina tan do mahinkro ko bechem kudua nkwantabu aketemfo ani chire dokum afikwa kopim kudivoya musukrum obi ada fidi na to a ohwa Adom TV media yede ebro. The act of being a good guest is to not to say goodbye.